Moment of truth. That's a good start. Fingers crossed. Hello again, you horrible lot. Welcome to vlog number 1 of the Harley series. A little bit of a different format, but I feel like the Harley needs a little bit of a different style of video. Kind of thinking vlog sort of series, with this being vlog number 1. Ultimately it's going to be about getting the Harley back on the road. Fork seals have turned up, got everything I need, but I went down there to start the bike the other day and it is fucking dead. So I've got a new battery on me. We're going to head there now, rig up the new battery, and hopefully she starts. Whoa, there they are. Right, let's shuffle these bikes around. So this bike is an absolute pig to work on. I started the other night and just got teasy. But if you look, you've basically got to replace. So to get to the battery, all of this side kind of comes off, all of the fuses and whatnot. And then on this side, basically got to get rid of this, which is held on by 4 bolts, just to get to the negative ground, which is in there. And then from there I can pull the battery out and fit the new one. But it's an absolute pig of a job. Instead of let's make it really easy to access, let's make it really hard. So well done, Harley. I'm gonna make a start and get the other side off. Why can't they just make these easy to work on? It'd be brilliant. Right, that's that out the way. So that was literally just to reach that, which is the negative ground. So I need to take the fuse out the other side, which will supposedly kill these Harleys are just gnarly when they go off. So that is fucking deafening. Oh, stop now. Oh, fucking shut up. Honestly, that alarm. Fuck. Now I should, in theory, be able to pull it out. So I stripped the back end of the bike, took the old battery out. Ironically, the new battery doesn't fit. It's the wrong battery. I've recharged the old battery. It was holding voltage. And I'm going to put it on the bike now, see if it starts. Right, so old battery is back in. Negative is connected. Moment of truth. That's a good start. Probably shouldn't show you my pin to get the bike started, should I? Fingers crossed. Smoky. Not been run since probably October, November. Good news. Right, I'm going to get it put back together and then give it a little razz round. Make sure everything's good. Get it. Yes, so sick. That's mental. It's been sat for ages, so I wasn't too sure whether it would actually be any good. Might need a bit more work, but happy days. Right, next job tomorrow. Fork seals, MOT, and we're back on the road. If you've enjoyed this sort of format, guys, it's only been a quick one, but let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more of this Harley, obviously it'll be back on the road within a couple of weeks, a week hopefully. So hopefully I'll catch you all in the next one.